Hi guys, I'm back with another video. This is my daughter Kylie. She was in my previous videos. Today we are doing a Boxycharm unboxing. That's how it comes, I think. Enter for a chance to win an exclusive Boxycharm giveaway worth over $400. And then it just tells you the ways that you can. On the back, it lists the products that I got in my Boxycharm and the prices. So the first item that I see is South Maine. These are 3 eye gel packs, Kylie. 3 eye gel packs, and they are supposed to, what is my husband pounding on? Puffiness, reduce dark circles, moisturize eye area. And a lot of people that I've watched on theirs, when they got this, they said they wouldn't use them. I'm actually really excited because I have like dry under eyes and whatnot. Yes, I have wrinkles. Okay, I don't know if I can do this right now. My husband is drilling something in our base colors. Our under eye gels are great for an easy mask without the cleanup. They soften and moisturize to ensure that you look rested and refreshed. Woo woo. Okay, so the next item that we have is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara. And it kind of sucks because I seen the sneak peeks for Boxycharm last month, and a lot of them, the beauty gurus on YouTube, were getting the Butter London, I think it was double decker mascara. I wanted it so bad, but I got this, which is okay, and I'm not going to open it because I already have quite a bit of mascaras open right now, and I don't want to ruin this one, but we will try it out. I do have some Bella Pierre Cosmetics products right now, and this retails for $20. It says Bella Pierre's long-lasting volumizing mascara was formulated to help create thicker and fuller lashes. We will see. I use mascara every day, so that'll be good. Okay, so the next item is by Pretty Vulgar, and it is a blush. The color is Prim Vixen. And there's the color right there. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. It's very chalky to me. We will see. It's so big. Okay, so since I did this swatch and it was kind of chalky, I wanted to go ahead and see how it was putting a little bit on. I've already got blush on, but I'm going to go ahead and try it. I am just using the Ulta Beauty blush brush. Right there. A little bit. Ooh, jeez. Whoa, it's pigmented. Blush, powder blush, awakens your complexion and provides a natural glowy flush to your cheeks. This silky smooth formula is long-wearing and highly pigmented. The buildable blush powder can be worn alone or paired for a multi-dimensional pop of color that will flatter any complexion. And I'm a very light complexion, and I think it'll be pretty, be okay. A lot of people on the Boxycharm Instagram did not want the Prim Vixen color, but I think it'll be okay for me. I do love pink, and I'm willing to try anything and make it work. So, yeah. The next product that we got is the Vintage Cosmetics Company Smoky Eye Brush Set, and it looks like this. Okay, and they each come in their own little plastic wrap thing around them, I guess to protect them. And I'm going to go ahead and take them out. Okay, so they have steps on them, like step 1, step 2, step 3. This one is step 1 for the money. Right there. Be nice. Whoop. And then this one is step 2. I'm guessing this is for the crease. Oh, for the shadow. It says for the shadow. That's step 2. And then step 3. Go girl go. Right there. And these retail for $23.15. This brush set trio will enable you to create a stunning smoky eye. Use your shadow brush to sweep a light shimmery color over your lids. Pack a darker color onto the angled shadow brush and work into the crease of your eyelid and outer corners. See, I said it was going to be for the crease. The smudger brush can be used to blend the two shades together, or alternatively use an even darker color to accentuate the crease and define your lash. A collab between Boxycharm and Pure Cosmetics and the palette. I'm excited. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these on my arm for you guys. This first color right here, what is this?
It is called Perfect.
Perfect. What's the second one called?
Maggie.
What's the third one called?
Belle.
What?
Belle.
Belle. What's the fourth one?
Squad.
Okay.
Charmer.
Charmer.
Alliance.
Alliance.
Bay.
Bay.
ATL.
Yeah.
Duet.
Duet.
Mia? Ooh, I like Mia.
BFF.
BFF.
And Boxy Black.
Boxy Black. We were just photobombed by my 5-year-old. Say hi! Hi! A regular price would be $36. It says this transitional palette can be used now or later to bring vibrancy back into your look. Our signature silky smooth ultra mattes are paired with pretty pinks and vibrant blue to lighten the mood. Plus you can layer the shimmer shades for a duochrome finish. Well, that's cool. I think I'm going to go ahead and try and put some of these on. I already have makeup, but I can't wait. Okay, I don't know how much it's going to show up, but I am going to use this color right here called Charmer. And I'm going to put this on my eyelids. I am using Step 1 for the Money by Vintage Cosmetics. I don't think you can really see it, but I can see it here. Ooh. Over there. And I think I'm going to go in the middle with, ooh, that's going to match my lips. I don't know. Guess I'm going to try the angled shadow brush, which is a little bit of a weird. I'm going to go in with BFF. Let's try it. Let's see. Okay, so I did one eye with this BFF color, and I like it. I think it matches my lips a lot. And I think with this you can also probably build up the color. Step 3, go go girl. And just to put a little bit of this color Mia, right there, the blue one, in the center. Yeah? Well, we'll just go for it.
Pretty.
It's not really showing up on here. Ooh, there it is, yeah.
Looks like a mermaid. You could use that for Halloween.
I'm not using it for Halloween.
Well, you can do it on me so I can be a mermaid.
And I think that I'm going to probably go along with my lash line too. Okay, so what I ended up doing was I went in with the blue and I finished this side. Right there. And then I went to the lash line and I put the same two colors, BFF and Mia. I put both of them down there. It kind of made like a purpley color. And I think that I'm gonna go right here and put more of BFF. We'll see. The box was worth
$15.15. So I
think that it is worth the $21 a month. Actually, is Boxycharm,
is a $21 subscription every month.
and they take it out on the 1st, and you get 4 to 5 full or deluxe size. Actually, I think they're mostly full size products, and most of their boxes are well over $100. And they're pretty cool items, so you should go check it out. I will leave that in the description bar, the link to it. I'm definitely satisfied with it. And go ahead and check out my other unboxing videos. They are also very worth it. Alright, thanks.